Hi Taurus, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of April is going to be for you, and the videos are coming in a little in advance. So go back, watch the March prediction video, see how much is resonating with you, and know how you can change this month for better. This is the month where the energy is such that you might feel stuck, you might feel confused between things, and you might just want to kind of take a leap of faith, start something new, or kind of run away from a situation or change the situation, or you might just feel that when will this month end and when situations will change. But this month is a month which is going to have a lot of teachings for you. This is the month which is going to change your life for quite a bit and for better. But you need to kind of have an open energy this month. You have to let the things flow this month. You don't have to jump on conclusions this month. The more you are relaxed, the more you are kind of into your own zone, and the more you let things happen to you this month, the better it is going to be. This month, don't try to kind of be the sun and shine at everyone, or don't try to find everything in sunlight. This month it is going to be like a moonlight, and you will have to let out or take out your blindfold and look at everything very, very carefully, very, very deeply. And it is going to be something where there are a lot of changes that will come in your life in a positive way. This is the month where you don't have to kind of choose options and go at one thing and leave one thing. There'll be juggling that will be required this month for you. If we talk about your health, the first thing that I see is spine health. So spine health is going to be important. Another thing is there could be a possibility for some kind of neuro related or head related problem, and this could be interrelated, where you have some kind of neuro related or spine related problem and you're required to undergo a surgery. Now when I'm saying this, doesn't mean that every Taurus will undergo a surgery. This is a generic reading. This could be anything from a simple backache to a severe a problem where you have to undergo a surgery. But headaches, backache, neuro-related problems or surgery, these kind of problems might be there. Now what you need to do is you need to bring in a balance in your life. It is very important to have balanced diet. It is very important to look at everything very carefully as to what are you putting in your body. It is very important to be careful about what are the things that you're doing or not doing correctly for yourself. For your emotional health also, I kind of feel that the more you feel blindfolded, the more you feel that you need to run away from situations, the more you feel that you need to protect everyone, the more you feel that you need to kind of change everything, the difficult it will be for you, because then you'll have sleeplessness, you'll have headaches, you'll have more problems, and you'll have emotional issues as well. But the more you kind of let yourself be, the more you open your eyes and see things clearly, the more you let the things happen and bring in the balance, the more you understand that this juggling or this situation has a blessing in disguise, the better the situations will be for you and the better your health will be. So don't try to run away from anything, and don't try to kind of change everything overnight. Have balance, have patience. Things will change because there is 10 of Swords, there is a new sun rising there, but things will change only when you learn to how to kind of open your eyes and see things clearly or balance things. If we talk about your wealth of money, this month there is not even a single pentacle card on your cards, and that is probably why it feels like this is a month which is going to be a little difficult month. But difficulties always have lessons in them, and if you need help, you'll have to ask for help. You will get help. If you need financial help, you will get that help from people around you. But this month, don't try to kind of bring something new. Don't try to put your money into something new. Don't try to kind of open a business, change your job. This month, try that you bring in a balance. You balance between things, you juggle between the things, but you don't kind of leave one thing and move altogether to another one, because the financial problem or financial juggling might just kick in. If we talk about your love or relationships, this is the month where if there is any kind of problem that you've been facing in your relationships, like if there has been any kind of doubts, any kind of you've not been truthful to your partner, and it's not your partner cheating you, it's usually the kind of cards are it is you kind of thinking to cheat your partner or cheating your partner. So if there has been anything where you've not been truthful, or your partner there has been problems between you and your partner, or you and your relationships, this is the month where separation might happen, or a decision, or a kind of you might go legal way to kind of decide something. Now the cards are saying that if you don't rush into it, the things might become better. Also, don't rush into a new relationship this month. This is not the month for a new relationship. Also, if you're trying to protect your family or loved ones from a certain thing, know that you cannot protect people from everything. No matter how nurturing, caring and supporting you are, you need to understand that everyone have their own lessons, everyone has their own learning, and you cannot take away their learnings from them, because that's not just, that's not right. Everyone has to go and learn the lessons that they need to. What you can do is you can just warn them, tell them, teach them, but you cannot take away all their sufferings. So this month, don't get into that energy that you want to be a sun for everyone and you want to change everyone's life. Focus on your life this month. Focus on changing yourself. Focus on nurturing yourself. Focus on balancing yourself. Focus on seeing things very clearly. Focus on seeing your life very clearly, and be a little relaxed this month. This is not the month to get married. This is not the month for pregnancy, like for trying for a baby. If already there is a pregnancy, there could be the delivery through surgery. So don't get blindfolded, don't get worried, don't get emotionally charged up with that. Also, because I kind of feel there is 5 of cups, there is 9 of swords. If there is a pregnancy already, ensure that you're giving yourself enough rest. Sleep is very important, and you're not taking a lot of burden on your mind. Then things should go fine. If we talk about your job or career, from job perspective, I think new opportunities will come your way, because there are chances of you getting new jobs. There is a chance of you juggling between 2 jobs or doing 2 things at the same time. Also, there is an opportunity that might come your way, but you might just not look at that opportunity clearly, and you might think that, you know, this is not what I want to do. Don't do that this month. This month, if you can juggle between 2 things, it's going to be better than deciding to be in one thing. You can have a boss who is very dominating. You can have somebody in your life, in your office, who's kind of pushing you too hard, and you might think that you know, I should start something of my own, or I should leave this job, I'll find another one. Don't do that. Don't run away this month. There is a learning that you've attached with that person. Until you learn that, you will kind of attract similar people in your life. So this month, be a little relaxed as you can, and know that every problem is a blessing in disguise. So every loss has a gain in it. And if you look at opportunities, if you look at positive, if you look at how you can make things happen rather than, you know, stressing yourself, the opportunities will flow into your life. You will move into something new. You will charge into a new situation, or opportunities will flow in your life. But if you focus on what is not there, if you keep yourself blindfolded, if you keep on thinking how much I have to juggle, why do I have to do this, why there is a problem, when will the month get over, then you will not make use of this month that you should, because this month has the capability to change you as a person. If we talk about students, again, for students also, there could be some endings, some beginnings. You might feel confused, but you'll have people around you, and there could be like a lot of push from your guides or your teachers or your parents. But don't get distressed, don't get negative, don't try to run away. Know that whatever is happening for you, so that for you to learn to balance things, learn to not choose anything just on the face value, and learn to look at blessings in every problem. So and if you do that, the things will work fine for you. So just relax this month a little. If we talk about soul path, this is the month which is telling you stop running away. You cannot protect everyone from everything. You cannot protect yourself from every problem, but you'll have to stop running away from problems or situations. Rather face it, balance yourself, face it, and when you face it, your soul is going to grow beautifully well. The chakra of the month for you is heart chakra, and while doing the Hindi video and the English video, I have a lot of energy flowing into my heart chakra. So heart chakra meditation, the mantra of heart chakra is Yam. It's YAM or YUM, however you want to kind of spell it, but Yam is the pronunciation, and it is very important for you to do this meditation, because your heart is going to undergo a lot of problems, a lot of situations this month, and it will require a lot of balance. So please do this meditation this month carefully. And if we talk about your mental exercise of the month, this is the 6th chakra. 6th chakra is the third eye chakra. Vision needs to be clear, and this is the month which is talking about you feeling blindfolded, or you kind of getting into that zone where you're not looking at things, you're feeling stressed out. But if you have your focus clear, have your vision clear, you will know how to move forward, and then you will have the ability to move forward. So this month your affirmation is my 6th chakra. 6th chakra is this third eye. 6th chakra is open and is perfect healthy state. My personal vision guides me, and my thoughts are peaceful and clear. This is the month where this affirmation will be really required for you. If you talk about number of the month, number 2, color of of the month, any shade of green. Now I have 3 surrender message for you. The first surrender message says, surrender to inner peace. Cultivate inner peace on a daily basis in quiet meditative movements. Focus on the stillness within and enjoy it in this inner refuge. Others will feel your good vibes too, and your life will flow more easily. So this month it is very important for you to be in inner peace, be meditating, and have peace within yourself. Very important. Second is surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us, even in the mundane aspects of life. Remember that you are a magical being with uniqueness and worth that comes from just being you. You are unique, you are beautiful, you are amazing. This month ensure that you tell yourself all these things and you believe in it, because that's the truth. The last card of surrender, the message is surrender defensiveness. It says defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To communicate in a more empowered way, stay centered and hear someone out. Then offer a clear and non-defensive advice. It is absolutely needed this month. So this month, listen to the people around you and see how things work out, or how you can make things work out. The unicorn message is soul purpose. It says act on your soul purpose today. It is very important, and this whole situation is taking you towards your soul purpose. Now 2 cards that I have for you for the wisdom oracle, and these are very beautiful cards. They give very appropriate messages. The first is orphaned. It talks about we were all meant to have connections with other people within our families, societies, and the larger culture. No man is an island, and it's important to recognize that when being a part of rather than separate from is essential to your well-being. The issue at hand is the need to find where you fit. Be true to your core truths and values. Perhaps you no longer identify with a group or community the way you did before and need to find a new situation. You might be feeling a deep sense of loss or confusion. Address the need for belongings and know that you will find your place with others of like mind and spirit. It is okay to let go of the pressure to fit in. Not everyone will understand you. It's time to move on. So move on in your life, not really think that there is no one for you or things are not working out for you. The another message that I have is yin. It's a female energy or feminine energy card. It's not only for females. If you want to understand feminine and masculine energy, there is a video on my channel which will help you understand that. So this says this is the time of calculated receptivity as you gracefully await what is coming to you, ready to accept it when it appears. Yin does not involve frozen dreams or even resting, but rather consciously allowing things to flow to you, poised to receive the bounty that will be made available to you. It implies to sensitivity as you alertly study the actions of others and contemplate how will they affect you and yours. Remember, you must make space for miracles to appear. Be the shaped, not the shaper, and you will see how quickly your dreams manifest. And when you have to manifest your dreams, you have to be ready to let things happen to you. And when you believe in your consciousness, when you believe in your inner self, your intuition, you make things happen for you. And this is the month for letting things happen to you, not really going out and making things happen. So this is the month where you get into feminine energy a little more. What will happen if you follow the guidance and angel messages? The first is, it is important to have balance, working multiple jobs or projects at once, making work fun. 2 of Ariel. So it's a 2 of Pentacle card. It's about juggling. So when you have to juggle, it is better to kind of change your perspective and make it better for you. And the second card already is perspective. It says there is a better way. Pause for a reflection and insight. Dare to be different. And that is why I'm saying that change your perspective this month. Look at things in a different way. Understand why these things are happening in your life, and if you change your perspective, you'll find opportunities in everything. This month is a month where you'll have opportunities in disguise, so you will have to look at that disguise, figure out the opportunities. So use this month fully for your benefit. If you know other Taurans, please share this video with them, because they will equally be confused and this can help them. Let's see what is the message for you guys. Okay, strength. Wow, beautiful. So this says that you have the strength. You have the strength to overcome any problem. You have the strength to overcome any issue. Use your strength. Use your mental, emotional power to heal anything, to overcome anything, and balance yourself. And when you use your strength, you will see beautiful results coming your way. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need my reading. I will share my number. We'll take it forward from there. Also, if you want to understand more about feminine feminine energy, soul, tarot cards, or positivity, or how to keep your home positive, or a lot of other things. There are a lot of videos on my channel. When you get time, watch those videos. If you like something, leave the comment, share the videos with others, like the video, share the video with others, and subscribe the channel if you can. I will see you with the next month prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.